Hiya there, I'm Ged and I'm the review specialist here at Mortgage Advice Bureau, and I just wanted to take a wee bit of time to introduce myself and tell you what we do and how we can help you. So first of all, I hope you're all keeping well, staying safe. So what I specialise in is as I mentioned earlier, I specialise in reviewing mortgages. So when fixed rates, for example, are coming at their end, if you don't do anything, what would automatically happen is you would go onto the standard variable rate. So what I'm here to do is to help ensure that ideally that never happens. We want to get you onto the next best rate for you, so that you're not going on to a higher rate than what you need to be paying. So the first step I would do is obviously I would give you a call and I'd carry out a review. Now, with the review, what I'm wanting to do there is I want to get a wee feel for what your income looks like, what your outgoings look like, what your family circumstances are. Because in this example, if you set up your mortgage 2 years ago, it could have been that there's been a few changes. So just because a mortgage was right for you a couple of years ago, it doesn't automatically mean it's going to be right going forward as well. So what I'll do is I'll check your occupation. So I just want to check your occupation, I want to check your income, and then we can see how that's changed since last time. And it's maybe worth just having a think about this as I'm going through these, because you could find that all of your circumstances have changed. What I'll also do is I'll have a wee check through your outgoings. So I want to get an idea if you've got like any personal loans, hire purchase, car finance, credit cards, store cards, and get an idea of what your balances are, what your monthly payments are. That'll give me a real feel for your outgoings. Also with family, it could be in the last couple of years, there's been additions to your family if you've had new children. So what I want to do is I want to get a snapshot of what your current circumstances look like, because that's going to help me build the perfect mortgage for your circumstances going forward. Now, what happens a lot of times is people think, I just need to change my rate. It could be that is all you need to do, but as I say, we'll have that chat and we'll work out if that's right for you. Because if we then look at changing your income and your expenditure from last time, it could also be that you might be open to reviewing your budget. If we look at reviewing your budget, it could be that we're actually in a position to take time off your mortgage. So if we take time off your mortgage, because you're borrowing over a lesser time, you're going to pay less interest, and that's what also I'm here to do. I want to find the best deal for you, but have it as also as cost effective as it could be as well for your specific circumstances. It could be that at this stage you're maybe starting to think about additional borrowing. So there's no right or wrong reasons to why someone would want additional borrowing. It could be that you're maybe thinking now about starting some home improvements. It could be that you might even think now's the time to start looking into debt consolidation. So again, through our conversation, I can help you establish what's right for you, but then also help you actually get it as well. And I suppose more specific to current times, it could actually be that you may be interested in looking at a mortgage payment holiday and you just don't know where to start. We can also help you with that as well. So no matter what your mortgage circumstances are, what we're able to do is we're able to obviously offer the best solutions, but then find the best value deals for you as well. Now, for all the information we carry out in the review, what I also do is I update your protection priorities also. Let's say a couple of years older, could have been changes. There may not have been an appetite for protection last time. You may see a clear need for it now, or it could be that you might just even need to review what you've got. And I would always say it's worth looking into that every couple of years as well, just for the sheer fact that if you imagine how mortgages change, protection's the same as well. So if you took a certain policy a couple of years ago, it could have been right for you a couple of years ago, but each year policies will add benefits, remove benefits, add features, remove features. So what we also want to do is make sure that all your protection fits your current circumstances as well. So I suppose if you've got any questions, I just want you to get in touch with us, and we can talk through how we can help. But as I say, in short, we will find the best mortgage for your specific circumstances. We'll find the best protection for your specific circumstances. So it just allows us to make a bespoke, tailored recommendation on everything. And as I say, it's just all about getting you the best deal out there. But if you've got any questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch. Thank you.